Fit signature and witness at the bottom of the document. This is one common problem which we face whenever we prepare the financial statements, or when we prepare the any rental agreement, or maybe partnership deed, or any MOUs and so on. First of all, let me save it very quickly. I'll just go to the case studies one, copy this path, paste here. This is 3. What is this case study? Fit signature properly. Fit signature and witnesses properly at the end of the page document, right? Wonderful. Let's have a very one para is more than sufficient for this explanation. Sometimes, you know what happened? Witnesses, we put like this, right? And we put numbers 1, sorry, and 1 and 2, right? Exactly opposite to witness this side, sorry, opposite to witness this side, we put signature. So what we do, we put keep on tab. Otherwise, some people, what they do, they keep on pressing the space, very difficult. I'll just put here signatures of partners. Maybe there's a partnership form. Now, once you enter, it will go here. So here exactly it should be opposite. So I'll just keep it here, name, right? Let's say Sharan Kumar, you. I should give a gap, right? Then I'll give a gap. And again, I'll come here. Then here, I want to put Nagashruti. Okay, just as an example, right? Then I want to keep, again, tab 3. I'll put some other name, Sri Kshetra. There are 3 names I can. We generally take the print of it. Sometimes when we are trying to put the name little bigger, sometimes the name is Sharan Kumar Babu Varma Uppa. See, when I am trying to put my name little bigger, then it is going into the next line. So I want to keep exactly this into the next line. So what I need to do, Uppalapati, but before this Uppalapati, then we keep on pressing the tab. When we keep on pressing the tab, the earlier one gets disturbed and so on. This is the very common problem we get it, right? So what I'm going to do, instead me putting as a very plain text in the document, I'll go to the insert. There is an option called table. I'll just take this table with the 2 lines, 2 by 1 matrix, right? Just drag this little, expand the, height of this cell. Now you can put witnesses, right? Right. Next one, in that, I just want 1, I just want 2. Maybe if you want, you can have a gap because they have to sign, because we are not sure who are the witness. But here, when it comes to the signature, I am sure who are going to sign the signature, who are going to sign. Why, right? 1. So I can just put as CA Saran Kumar, U, then I just put 2 CA Nagashruti T. I'll just put 3, right? Sri Kshetra, CA Sri Kshetra. Now, I can have my own space. Even if this is bigger, it will, for example, this name is Varma, Kumar, Babu, Sharon. See, it's automatically coming below this because it is a table after all. But when this looks like a table, people may not be much comfortable. Then if that is the case, what I'm going to do, simple, just because it's a border, you are finding it as a table. If I can simply select this, remove the border. Whenever you select a table, there are 2 contextual tabs on the top called table design and layout. Go to the table design, go to the border, no border. For the users outside, even if you take the printout, when I just go to Control P, this looks like same as a regular text, but this properly fit into the table. This is unorganized because it's not in the table. If I want, whenever you keep cursor, you can easily find out. If you want to increase the width, you can just move it wherever you want. You can just change it, as simple as it. Otherwise, if you want even the right alignment for this particular column, just put the right alignment. Otherwise, just put the left alignment. Otherwise, just put the center alignment. So you can just play the data around. But in this case, you cannot do, because when you're trying to select the signature part, the witness part also will get disturbed.